Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Geraldine Salamero, 33 years of age, single, and have two kids ages 13 years old and 7 years old. I live in Ilagan, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I have three brothers and two sisters, and I'm the third child of the family.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid, serving four members of the families, one couple, and two kids ages 7 years old and 1 year old. I'm doing all the house chores like cleaning, washing the laundry, doing dishes, cooking, and taking care of the kids. And I also work as waitress and cook for almost 1 year. And my very last work experience is domestic helper in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, for about 3 months only, and I'm serving six members of the family with one couple and four children, ages 11, 10, and 7, and the last is 4 years old. I'm doing all the house cleaning, washing the laundry, dishes, ironing, taking care of the kids, assisting them going to school, and playing to them sometimes.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your kids?
My father will take care of them and my live-in partner.
What time you usually sleep when you were working?
I usually sleep at 1 a.m. and wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay. How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother of two kids, I can say that I'm a loving mother, and at the same time I'm very dedicated for taking care of them, and I'm leading them to be a good person.
Okay. Are you an easygoing or disciplinarian mother?
I'm a bit disciplinarian mother, but in a good way.
Okay. If Hong Kong kids are out of control, how do you control your temper?
I will just talk to them calmly, and I will hear them out, try to understand what is the kids' problem and make them understand the situation and talk to them politely.
Okay. How do you manage to employ your kids before?
I managed my kids' employer before by taking care of them, assisting them, going to bathroom, um, taking taking care of what they need for going to school, giving them what they want, and playing to them sometimes.
Okay. What do you do if the kids are too playful and you cannot do your work smoothly?
I will talk to them and lead them to do other things that will make them busy.
Okay. How do you describe your previous madam or employer?
My previous madam is very strict and very meticulous, and sometimes she is good.
Okay. Do they give you a set of instructions on what they like and they don't like?
Yes, they give me.
How many worker or helper does your previous job have?
We are two helpers in the house.
Do you work well with other helper?
Yes.
What are your main duties as helper?
My main duties as a helper is doing the house chores, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, the dishes, and taking care of the kids.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes, I can. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
Yes, it's natural.
What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer is I promise that I will do my best. I will do my best and duties and responsibilities with all my heart, and I will treat them as my family. And I'm very much excited for serving them. Thank you.